Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola to Little Poetspice, and I am here to do a design team video project for the Not Too Shabby shop. Yes, so you should be aware that they have come out with the June box, and it is mermazing. So I have the stamp set, and you will see the two of them. And then the first one is let's see if we can get this focus for you. Mermazing. Yes. So look at this adorable stamp set. So fabulous, right? So you have "You're amazing. Let's celebrate." All these fun little sentiments, and look at the mermaid. Then we have the second one, which is "Hugs and Fishes." And I absolutely love these little seahorses. So you can see those pieces that we have working here, and the narwhal. So cute. So I have created a process video for you showing you how to make a slimline word die card with these two stamp sets. I've also used this Gemini Hello word shaped die, and if you do not have this die, you can use any of your dies that are slimline and do the same thing, and you can just paste letters on the front. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So we've got this die, these two stamp sets, and keep watching. Okay, so here we are. We're going to build this card. So this die comes in two layers, and you have your base layer and then you have your overlay. The base layer is going to cut your card base, and then the overlay is going to add that hello. So you're going to take that and go ahead and run it through your die cutting machine. Now, you can cut more than one of these. This is another tip. You can cut more than one and then layer it up so that you have more dimension, or you could just leave it flat. The next thing you need to do is you will need to cut your base layer for your card. So in this case, I cut roughly about 7.5 by 8.5, fold it in half, and then on the die, you can see where it does not cut. It just leaves that area blank. So what you do is you place it over the edge of your fold and line that up, and then I'll show you here on the back. So you can see where that die just sticks up a little bit over the edge, so that you can cut your base shape in that hello. Now, like I said before, you can use any die that you have pretty much the same way. So here you see that it's cut and it has created the base, and you can open it up. I love this cardstock. It's so wonderful. And then all the shimmer and the shine. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. So then here we are, we're going to build this base. So I cut it in purple as well as in the sand color. You can see how it folds like a regular card. I'm going to go ahead and glue down that layer on top. And like I said, here's one place where you could add another, 2 or 3 of these hellos, glue them together, and then it becomes more like a chipboard piece that you have on top. Another thing is you will notice that this paper is very shiny, the base card. So if you have a shiny paper, you might also want to add like a double-sided tape in little places so that you have instant grab as well as the glue. Now on the inside here, I'm just going to take that little center that came out of the O, and I'm going to put it on the inside just to have that sparkle that goes on the inside. We also need some place to write, so I'm going to create a matte layer. In this case, I created one that was 3.5 by 3, and then a white layer to go on top. I'm going to use my corner rounder, get those corners rounded because I love rounded corners. And then I did not like the white edge on the shiny paper. So I went and used an alcohol marker around the edge in blue to get rid of that white. You could use your distress inks. You could use any other kind of ink that you have. You could use any color marker. This is a good way to use those markers as well, because you can match your marker to your paper instead of just having a few selections. So here I'm just going to go ahead and layer up my mat, and then I'll be able to write a message here. And once again, that foil paper is a little bit slippery, so you could put a little piece of double-sided tape there as well. Now we get to decorate. So you take all those cute little images from the Mermazing stamp set and go to town. I'm going to put some foam tape on some of them. So there was a lot of foam tape on this mermaid because I wanted her to stand out a little bit. And in this case, you want to be aware of placement simply because you don't want to cover up the letters and so forth. So you don't want to put it right in the middle of the E so you can't read that it says hello. So you want to be aware of that. Also, anytime you are doing a card like this where you cut the base and the front and the back at the same time, you'll also want to be aware of any directionals. Okay, so if I had words or something that was going across the page, or picnic baskets or anything like that, you'd want to be careful of the way you cut it. Now here you can see I'm putting on that jellyfish. Those jellyfish are so cute. I absolutely think this set is adorable. And here's another little tip. You can go over the letters. So you'll see that my jellyfish actually goes over that space in between the L. What is it? The L and the E? No, the two L's. And in that case, you just have to be aware not to put glue in the center because you don't want it sticking to your table. So I'm just going ahead and go around placing these where they look good, where the colors match. And so in this case, I particularly made sure that the teal was over the blue and the blue was not over itself. That way you could see the images pop. I go to the inside and add some more. And it's just so cute. Then it needed a little more sparkle, so I got out that Michael's glitter glue. Then you can see how I went over different pieces. I didn't like this one, so I just wiped it off. If you do it quick enough, you can still get it off. And then here you can see what it looks like with all the glitter glue and all the elements. So these are just absolutely fabulous. I love them so much. And here you can see the finished product. So you can see that paper that has that shimmery background. And you can also see the layered paper here. All the cute little images from the stamp set. Lovely when the glitter glue dries. Yes, look at that. Oh, be mermazing. And then I went ahead and finished another one off camera for you. So you've got the sand color in the background. And then here you can see how cute these little seahorses are. I love it. They look like they have like an afro or something going on. Totally cute. And then you can see over here that, and then the little shells and the sea urchin, and then here with some little pearls on there. Awesome sauce. Yes. So you've got the full hello, then on the inside, and then you have the inside of this one. So thanks for watching. Go check out the hot videos and also go check out this Mermazing box on the Not Too Shabby shop. See you guys later and wait till you see the next little release. Thanks for watching.